This is Senator Antonio Hayes. Sign or die is Monday, April the 7th. Alright? So this is for Sign or Die, the 90 Days of Shorty. Contact Senator Antonio Hayes and get this book, I Am Dred Scott. It's a book about being black in America. Y'all repealed Roe versus Wade, but didn't say nothing about Dred Scott. That's Shorty, a champion for justice. That's GOP Carter. And right here, Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary, and that's Gov.O'Malley. That's Brown Omen 2024, alright? 2014. And I gave y'all a can of whoop ass because I told y'all I was going to whoop y'all's ass. And I've been whooping y'all's ass ever since. This is Mr. Fields in Baltimore County in 2012. I told you my intent to sue. $250 million in intellectual property. And we talking about FCC violations by Fox, by Baltimore Sun, by WBAL. It's all right here. And it's notarized. You feel me? Which makes it legal. It's about this case right here. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. Alright? And we're going to bring that case to the light. It's about the war on drugs. N62528. Dwayne Davis versus Baltimore County. Like I said, I was kidnapped by the state. And that's the case number right there. Alright? This is a motion to squash the subpoena to protect y'all. That's Sheriff Fisher. Judge Turnbull. Alright? I'm showing you a criminal enterprise. Operation Greylord. And these is the people involved. Patricia Cook, James Hammond, Karen Parks, Paul Weinblatt, Scott Shellenberger, Peter Francott. I was making a documentary and it's about you. That's Malcolm Ruff. That's Pat Clark. That's Jack Young, Bill Henry, Carl Stokes, Broshin, Judge Bell. Alright? They all right here. They all right here. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis versus Maryland. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Chief Johnson. That's States Attorney Greg Bernstein. And that's Scott Shellenberger. I'm looking for exoneration in 2024, 2025. And Caitlin gave that paperwork. Exoneration. Alright? And Malcolm Ruff was there when I started this. He was at the University of Baltimore Law School. That's GOP Carter. That's Mr. Smith and Wilkins. See? Powers and outlets of the governor. Powers and duties of the governor. Alright? That's Anthony Muse. Declaration of Rights. This is the state of Maryland. Like I said, I gave y'all a can of whoop ass. And I told y'all I was going to whoop y'all's ass. I ain't finished yet. We just getting started. The haves versus the have-nots. And we not having it no more. Leaders of a beautiful struggle out for justice. Yeah. See the big picture here? Sign or die. Right here. Maryland Constitution. Do blacks have rights in Maryland?